Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how you can make a table in Microsoft Word. So for inserting a table you have to click on insert option. Okay, insert option, you will see an option called table. So for example, this is the table option. So for example, if you wanna take 4 rows, you will take 4 in vertically. Then if you wanna make 4 columns, you have to take 4 columns in horizontally. So for example, I am going to make three four, 4 row and 8 column. Okay, then I make the table. Okay, I'm increasing it little bit. Okay, so first option I'm gonna name is name, then class, then age, then role. Okay, for example, name, first name is John, class 9, age 13, role 1. Okay, then the second one is Chris, class 8, age 12, role 13. Okay, then third one is Evans, class 5, age 9, role 47. Okay, then another one is Hope, class 6, age 10, role 67. Okay, then Christian, role class 8, age 12, role 85. Okay, then Lionel, class 10, age 15, role 34. Okay, then Harry, class 11, age 16, role 98. So if you want to make this alignment in center, you can select all of this, then you have to make alignment center. So if you want to make this bold, you can select, then click on bold. So this is a table that we this is how you can make a table in Microsoft Word. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So thanks for watching.